1. Gateway, smart lock, body, and installation accessories. 2. Change the handle position. Insert a screwdriver into the lock hole on the back of the handle. Unscrew the screw, remove the handle, adjust the direction, and tighten the screw. Ensure the handle faces the correct direction. Repeat the above operation for the handle on the other side and confirm its direction is correct. Three. Use a ruler or other tools to measure the thickness of the door where the smart lock will be installed. Refer to the datasheet to select fixing screws and a spindle of appropriate length. Here, we will use small-sized screws and a square spindle. 4. Assemble the short screws and screw stubs together. 5. Assemble them onto the back of the smart lock panel and tighten slightly. 6. Note that the triangular arrow on the middle circular lock cylinder should face the opposite direction of the handle. 7. Put the square spindle into the door hole, then pass the cable through the upper hole. Adjust the bolt position appropriately. Align the lock cylinder with the square spindle and place the external part of the smart lock on the door. 8. Place the black circular gasket on the rear metal panel to fix the accurate position. Then place the metal panel on the back of the door, making sure the cable and square spindle pass through. 9. If the position is correct, the previously installed lock hole can be clearly seen through the gap in the middle of the panel. Align and tighten the upper and lower screws to fix the panel. Then remove the black gasket. Put the provided spring into the hole at the back of the lock. Connect the cable to the rear lock port and note that the red side should align with the red side. Align with the square spindle and install the rear part of the lock. Hold the smart lock body with your hand. Insert the screws and tighten them to fix it on the door. Repeat the above operation for the lower screw hole. Installation is complete. After going out, lift the handle to lock the door. Press down the internal handle to unlock the door. Lift the small bolt to deadlock. Note: the gateway and batteries 4 pieces need to be purchased separately.